Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are ever wanted to create an eye-catching poster for an event, party or promotion, Canva is one of the easiest tools to help you design something amazing. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to make a poster in Canva in 2025 step by step. Let's dive right in. First of all, we need to log in to Canva. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free at www.canva.com. Click sign in if you already have an account or sign up if you are new. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Canva dashboard. Now that we are in, let's pick a template to work with. Canva has tons of pre-made templates for posters, so you don't have to start from scratch. In the search bar at the top, type poster. Browse through the templates that appear and pick one that fits your theme. For example, you can find templates for concerts, events, sales, and much more, like that. Then click customize this template. Once you have selected your template, it's time to make it your own. Let's customize it by changing the text, colors, and images. Editing text. Click on any text box to change the wording like this and type your headline. Then product name like table. Edit the headline to something like big summer sale or best of furniture. Canva offers a wide range of fonts. Select it, then fonts, and select font from here. You can also change text style like that to that and adjust the text. That's it. Posters are all about visuals. Let's add some stunning images to make it stand out. Go to the Elements tab on the left. Choose Photos. Like that. Or your furniture photos. And select one from here like that, and decrease the transparency like that. If you want to upload your own images, click on the uploads, then select upload files, then upload your photo, then drag your file in from your computer. Now that we have Added the text and images. Let's make sure everything is aligned. Looks perfect. From keyboard, type Shift R for rural. Then you can adjust it from here and that. Okay, and that's it. Resize and reposition images or text boxes by clicking and dragging their corners like that. To add more sections, click Add a new page. Blue to create a multi-page poster. Canva also gives you the option to add shapes, lines, and icons to enhance your design. If you want to add some final flair to your design, Canva offers a ton of options. If add filters or adjust the brightness and contrast of your image. Double click, then Smart Core, size it. Adjust opacity of layer if you want certain elements to blend more seamlessly. Before you download your poster, it's important to give it a quick review to make sure everything looks good. You can zoom and zoom out and delete it and check for any spelling errors or element issue. Preview your poster by clicking on the eye icon at the top. Once you are happy with your design, it's time to download your poster and share it with the world. Click on share, then download and PNG and download. And that's it. You have just made a professional looking poster using Canva. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching.